podcast affirmation isibuyile oyazi ukuthi sikulandela wonke umuntu yazi bengicabanga isikhathi siqala kuze kube manje ngicabanga abantu sesibalandile la ku podcast affirmation. I'm reminded of umuntu oseyi parliamentarian namhlanje uMusi Mahimani uke wafika la uzwakele emncwangu uke wafika la ubheka imtolo weANC usewafika iPremier iPresident yeIFP uhlabisa usewafika la baningi abantu bayeza na ku-entertainment side ngizokutshela ngoLesolo DJ Happy Girl kufike intwana za Ata ingane za Ata owabi nobani. I think baningi bayafika la namhlanje. By the way, you call me Sizwe Plus without a doubt I'll be flattered. Namhlanje senzima ngoba ngifuna ngikhuluma isikhathi eside nobuza wavuma ekugcineni ukuthi oyeza noma kanjani leyo respect nje uMusa Zulu Musa Zulu akekho ohlala eThekwini or South Africa ngabazi uMusa Zulu iauthor le yabona uMusa wenza itraining artist le motivational speaker le akithi angikho wrong imakemo
usashaya ngakho kodwa ngisafuna ukwazi uzokusho konke yini
asikiyeke umuntu ayizwele le voice kaMusa. By the way igama lami ngusizwe ngwakaBloss ngivakashele uMusa Zulu uMusa izulu angu-Edu iMusa
ya ufanele to add impela
kunjani makemo
ngiyaphila kakhulu. It's been a while since not only been a while voice we have been together for a long time and how beautiful ngempela it is Nkunzi lethe isandla lapha to be with you today with podcast yakho
akusiwo umdlalo affirmation
yabona into enjengalezi siyayidinga mfowethu ikakhulukazi ngoba they keep us connected. Uma ukhumbula ukuthi ngisakwa Aspepe this was in the late 90s. This is when we met une magazine yakho Cheers magazine and I still remember ngempela ngoba ngamu director lapha women obhekene ne community outreach. This is beautiful. South Africa iyangena with democracy but there's someone that's just going Cheers. I mean it was very funky, youthful ngendlela futhi owawazi ukuthi if I can use this avenue to reach abantu ikakhulukazi emalokishini naseyindaweni zasemakhaya where people were wanting democracy to be fashionable, then i-road safety abantu bazobona ukuthi it's not just a program but a way of life ne-culture. And to be with you today ngempela 22 years later, it's actually 22 years later and now we're affirming ourselves as podcasters. This is beautiful. This is the South Africa that one was wishing for. Got 30 years that we are celebrating this year. Ngiyabonga mfowethu.
Engikwaziyo futhi ngoMusa mnika umbhobho. Umuka nawo. Musa ngicabanga abantu abaningi bayakwazi but ngicala nje ungishaya briefly ukuthi uMusa ubani ukhuleke kuphi kanjani varsity level wahamba wayospana.
Igama uMusa Izulu as you have already introduced me. Born in 1971 kwaCeza Mission Hospital la abazali bami bahlangana khona ngo1970. I am second after my twins at home, mfowethu bese ngiba futhi nodadewethu abawu2 abancane. I finished school very early mina mfowethu, I guess because I was coming from
no
ngangaqisi but ngangena amasishana. And I was of a background where abazali really emphasized the education. I honestly wish ukuthi 30 years after democracy, bangathi uma behlezi abantu eSouth Africa, bangathi nje only thank you to this government, ekadisiphethe for 30 days, but thank you to our parents. Ngoba this government only comes in 1994 after our parents ngempela really tried the best they could, ukuthi babone ukuthi sikhula ngendlela okuyiyona. Anyway, ngithe mangiqede esikoleni, I went to the University of Natal where I obtained the BA in humanities. Ngathi mangiqeda lapho ngase ngenza i-honors in sociology. I wanted to be a social scientist because South Africa was changing. I also wanted to understand exactly how the world has changed and how my own country was going to change now this position lapho. Ngithe mangiqeda e-university, ngiyi-junior lecturer. Knowledge development studies. I think basebebonile kwakhona e-university ngathi inkosi malanga lobukhona ubuchopho uyabona ngisho. Anyway, I left the university and went to work kwaThongat Mushrooms. KwaThongat Mushrooms I was 22 years old ngaleso sikhathi, senior human resources manager. South Africa entsha phela kwakumnandi ngalesiya sikhathi kakhulukazi uma unemfundo ngoba wakwazi ukuthi uyibone ngempela ukuthi upward mobility yakho is happening and it's happening very fast. Anyway, 10 months into working kwaTongat Mushrooms, I met a car accident which was to change the course of my life. 1995, I was 23 years old. Very difficult in the beginning. To be paralyzed at the age of 22, 23 is not a joke. Kakhulukazi ngoba here you are. Number one, saying South Africa is changing, isn't it? Number two, you're still young, full of energy.
Full of life.
Full of life. But dreams, I mean, I was always born to dream and do. I dream and I do. And then this thing happens. And I still remember sitting in hospital and thinking, oh my God. At the height of excitement. And it did not come like this. I would never ever wish to play a script as Superman. Disability was terrible. And I even remember fighting in the to get people to understand the frustration or what was on my mind. I would fight. Why? Because I suddenly discovered what it's terrible to find yourself in a situation like
that. Into engifuna ukuyazi magebe ukuthi bese kufika kwena mhlawumbe odokotela bechaza futhi ukuthi manje uzoba umuntu o wheelchair bound.
Yes.
Kwafika ukuthini kwena?
But ngaphatheka kabuhlungu kakhulu. Kakhulukazi ngoba nala futhi umuntu oyegijima kakhulu. Now all of a sudden lezi ngane sezizobona usuqhutshwa ngalento. Yayizona into engisho. And number two futhi khumbula phela ngithebona kunodadewethu abancane la. Who have always looked up to the superstar at home and all of a sudden now sozofuna lengane ziyogijima nama-plate. But then you discover mfowethu after a couple of weeks umqondo mawusubuye you start appreciating these things. Abantu ababefika esibhedlela la entabeni mhlazana ngilimele multitudes. I'm telling you. I always mean I was of a culture of a people. Yabathanda abantu, ngamhlanje nabangani. I always say the most amazing blessing uNkulunkulu anginikeza yona was not just to bounce back to life, but to never lose a friend, but instead for them to multiply. Now you can imagine people actually love me. And people start coming closer to you to say, and you discover what people were not just living through life with you, but they were actually capturing some of the moments where you would make them feel very special.
Because manje sikhona ukuthi siya egigini ethize yabo but no wasikwazi ukuhamba nomusa whatever reason you understand
let me tell you what happened. See, and I can guarantee you right now very few people have ever had the opportunity given by friends efana nale ngizokutshela yona njenga namhlanje. I was discharged in hospital and found my friends waiting to throw a party for me. And do you know what the party was? On top of a skyscraper in Durban. That's what was given to me by my own friends and my brothers when I came back to Durban after a paralysis. But anyway, bese ngihlale ekhaya isikhathi esincane ngoba phela ngisanda kulemala recuperating nababangani bami abafowethu family na wonke umuntu supporting me through. Now bese ngihlangana nabanye abantu futhi abakhubazekile ondimeni yabona uvusi ndimeni. And this is where you discover ukuthi labantu angibazi number one ngoba mina ngingabazi abantu abakhubazekile ngaphandle kwalaba ku-radio Steve Kekane Babs Mlangeni, but there was never a person I could point at and say this is a person with a disability. Anyway, uma usuhlangana nalabantu who are local and very close to you, just see what you do, find your own niche. Ubone futhi usebenza kanjani. Waqala umqondo uyabuya lapho yabona. Bese kwakhona ezinye izinto futhi engasengithi uma bese ngibheka ngaleso sikhathi bese ngayibona nje this thing is actually going to be an opportunity. Khumbula South Africa when it changed into a democracy. Not only for black people, for women, for children, and also for people with disabilities. How do I ride this wave, my own way? ngibone ukuthi mhlambe I could also create a history of my own within this community, and maybe even discover ukuthi at the end of the day I am no longer just a member of the community but a valued member of the community, ngoba sengikwazi ukuthi kube khona izinto ezintsha engiqhamuka nazo. I always say mina ngibe nenhlanhla yokuba paralyzed, number one, at 23, because at 23 you are already full of energy and have already opened your mind out of childhood in transitioning into adulthood. Uyabona kuba lento mhlambe yenzeka sengino 30 la sengingenile khona kwi-adulthood yayizongihlukumeza, kanti la ngempela I was right at the moment when things were changing towards the next phase. I was also lucky ukuthi South Africa was also changing towards the next phase. What was then necessary for me to do uma ngabe ukuthi nginenhlanhla ukuthi lento yenza ngesikhathi kuyisona, how do I utilize mina that luck to create my own opportunities and even stories that I can tell other people about how possible it is for us to find ourselves even after changes.
But Musa, fast forward, ngicabanga ukuthi mhlambe bese sesodlula kule ye accident okusebenzela umnyango wahulumeni at the same time laphana eMaritzburg. But bekungihlele nginale concern kakhulu for abantu abebe before wena mhlambe even we accident accessibility. Even kuma buildings ahulumeni, if mhlambe uhamba nge-wheelchair, if mhlambe unokunye futhi ukhubaze ukuphila nakho, ukuthole kunjani lokho?
Look, there's one thing that I'm going to tell you, and I guess people with disabilities will also tell you the same. South Africa's phila kuyona namhlanje is very different from South Africa kade kuyona in terms of the accessibility abantu abakhubazekile. When I was working for the Department of Transport, mina ngaba nenhlanhla futhi of working at the right time. La wonke umuntu ofuna ngabe uyathuthukiswa ngokomthetho. Do you know ukuthi ngingena kwa-Asphephe umuntu okhubazekile ubekuthola kunzima ngisho nokuya e-taxi rank eyothatha i-taxi to go to work. It was even worse in town ngoba yiziphi amabhilidi ekhona. Most of them were old buildings that are inaccessible. Now uma umuntu enganakanga ngempela ukuthi uhamba nge-wheelchair in old South Africa, wawungakwazi ukuthi ubizwe for i-interview kanti interview kwi-9th floor. Only to discover ngempela ukuthi people have to come down to cater for you downstairs. Ngoba amabhilidi akhona babengawakhanga njengaleso sikhathi. But if you look at how far South Africa has traveled up until now in terms of disability development, I would like to believe mina ngisho nabantu abakhubazekile are fully conscious of the fact that the last 30 years in South Africa have also seen to the introduction of a disability infrastructure. Ekwazi ukuthi umuntu okhubazekile at least aphile impilities or Asphephe ibona baqala ngama side pavements la ukuthi umuntu akwazi ukuthi noma ehamba nge-wheelchair ahambe la. Kwasuka lapho public works baqala amabhilidi amasha afakwa ama lift ayindlela yona ama ramps and all of that, amadala introduce ama lifts and all of that. Abantu abakhubazekile bahola ama grant namhlanje. There was no grant then. Abantu abakhubazekile bano NSFAS. Abantu abakhubazekile bakwazi ukuthi bathole ngisho nezindlu. Abantu abakhubazekile banema special schools and all of that. I'm not saying that a lot has happened such that a need has been fulfilled. I'm just merely saying a lot has happened that all of us are quite aware of. Sesibhala ngisho neincwadi zethu. We even invited a special guest. Who would ever have had a special guest with a disability ngalesa sikhathi phandle uma benenhlanhla ka Steve Kekana no Paps Mlangeni? But an ordinary man on the street uMusa Izulu, who the hell is he for you to have him as your special guest or anything like that?
Yazi ngifuna sibheke Musa mhlawumbe because usuyithathile kancane sibheke kuyona leyo Musa as an artist, Musa as a motivational speaker, umbhalo Musa onencwadi aseyibhalile as an artist futhi uyadweba udweba mhlawumbe besingabona eminye nemdwebo lezinye incwadi mhlawumbe I think kule camera le izibonakala Musa.
Oh no, that's fine.
Yabona
noma you said this is going live. As a result you can't what do you call it, cut and paste. Okay, look mfowethu ngithe kuwena right from the beginning, if there's one thing that I discovered right from the beginning, ukuthi disability could also be an opportunity. Ngizokutshengisa ngesisodwa man. Okay. Ubona ukuthi usicaptureisha kanjani.
Okay, I think ama camera was
camera will see how they do it. Lana I was just telling you as I was introducing my book ukuthi la ibhodo la kwaZulu leli, the calabash kodwa drawn futhi not in a traditional way of drawing things, in my own way that is very universal. Usukubonile lokho ma? Wonderful. And eziningi ke ezinye nizozibona uma bese nginisayinele lezi incwadi for the studio. Anyway, I said to you right from the beginning when I discovered that disability could be an opportunity. Number one, an opportunity to tell a story. And if you can tell a story, then you can write it as a form of a book.
So you change agent, man.
I had to be as soon as possible.
Level, and all the stuff.
The beginnings of a change agent. A change agent is introduced when I discovered that this could be an opportunity. Number one, to tell a story of disability and its abilities in a country that has not yet known people with disabilities. And if you are writing this book, do not only write it as Musa Zulu, but as a person with a disability, expressing their views about the world they are living in and its possibilities. Kumnandi ukulimala ngesikhathi sama possibilities than ukulimala during the times of war when there is no hope. Mina ngalimala South Africa of possibilities. And I could write that story, articulate it my way, and in a way, introduce myself and my cause. Possibility enkulu kabi le. Opportunity.
Isapoti khona kodwa ekhaya. I understand my friends, but ekhaya by the way ubusa itwana ka Professor Dr. Paulo Zulu.
Ulule ekhaya. Udokotela la so uma benga understand ngophela uzofuna la ngibhale ukuthi umzimba walimalaphi exactly. And if you have a doctor la uzokutshela no thoracic level number bani affects these elements emzimbeni. So uyakwazi lo nto uthi ubuso uyibhala lapha phansi bese ngathi uyisazi kanti utshelwe la ekhaya. Now plus it's an opportunity futhi disability an opportunity yokukopela. Ngikhumbula esikoleni kwangavunyelwa ukukopela. But this time around mina ngingakopela. Ngizokopela bani? Ngizokopela uBabs Mlangeni. Ngizokopela uRay Charles. Ngizokopela uAndrea Bosheli. Bese ngikopela uTeddy Pendergrass. Sekuphelile. There's nothing short. Ngoba I can literally come in before conducting a motivational talk and started within my time, Teddy Pendergrass. And before you know it, you are no longer looking at me as this guy in a wheelchair who is an MC, but wow, this is actually going to be a concert because there are also sounds of Teddy Pendergrass. What I'm trying to say is an opportunity to take pride in the fact that there are people that have walked before you and have already opened the door. When what you just need to do is to come in and dance your own way.
Oh yeah. No, I follow.
So it becomes a process of transformation, complete transformation. But you are not only benefiting from changes in society, but also changes from people in your own community of people with disabilities, but also changes inside you as you start taking pride in the fact that, hey, this is a second chance and maybe I can do it even better. And to be very honest with you, 29 years later, man, I think we've done this good.
Engathi ungathula ugcina usumlalela yena uMageba eqhubekile nesitory sakhe. By the way, ungasilandela kuma socials ethu ku Facebook page la esupdate khona ama news, la esupdate khona whatever nayo istory samusa nje before usithole la kwi podcast uzoqale umthole uMusa sikhuluma ngaye lapha na kwi page lethu le podcast elina 2.7 million osilandelayo kulona. So senza isiqiniseko sokuthi uzosilandela. Musa Zulu awusubuyile.
Hayi ukuthi sengibuye ngokuphuthuma. This is exactly what I was saying to you. Imagine a previous South Africa la ngiphiswa khona ukuchama. Ithola ukuthi there is no bathroom facility that is available for a wheelchair user. Izo zonke lezi zinto ngempela ngiyangifisa ukuthi uma bezenzeka so naturally as it has just happened. The sense is understanding ngempela ukuthi even a person with a disability in a South Africa that we live in, of course khona abanye who are still very far from opportunities. Kodwa sesikwazi isigijima siphuthume etoilet
fast isibona. No, ngiyakuzwa Musa. I think besakhuluma ngama socials ethu ukuthi ungasilandela lapha na kwi Facebook page esikhomenda khona 2.7 million. Siya update as and when izinto zenzeka. Yabona njengamanje ukhulumile upresident izolo. Ukhulumile upresident ubatabela baphosa bamshayela izandla kakhulu abamhlophe. I think kunale halubhalula phela kuma socials ukuthi ushayele kakhulu izandla abamhlophe akazi yakhe asikangeni kakhulu kulezi zepolitics but ungasilandela nje siya update indaba human interest stories, political stories, sports yini futhi business njabe tekikatshela ubuso ukuthi kathi sike savakashelwa uPelping unaye ezocacisa ngezinto ezithinta ama-business nokuthi wena ungahlomula kanjani kuleli bank alisebenzela izinto ezikanjalo. UMusa-ke manje ufika nenye angle ye-literature yabo, hopefully ukuthi uMusa uzosilekelela asithubelele izinto ezithinta ababhali nembhalo abasuke beyibhala. Kubalulekile culture of reading Musa, kodwa ngathi sidwingling.
Angazi, I'm not a researcher useke wabona ukuthi bekunjani ekuqaleni sekunjani manje engikwaziyo nje kodwa ukuthi abantu abamnyama kakhulukazi andiyajabulisa leyo nto ngibatholile ukuthi sebeyabhala ngeimpilo zabo uyabona. In Durban nje I think you easily have a population of anything up to 100 new authors in the last 10 years, I would say so. Ngoba ile ntwana you find ukuthi network yabo yakhula nalithekuli yazama ukuthi ngama programs athize libelekelele, and as a result they are coming out. I wish we could have more competitions ey'koleni abantwana babe nama writing activities that excites them. Ngoba ukhumbula ukuthi ukubhala does not only excite you ukuthi ubhale ngestory sakho, it excites you ukuthi ubhale ngefield that is that you are interested in. Kubona abantu ababhala incwadi nje specifically about medicine or the area of medicine, abanye science fiction, abanye technology, abanye crime.
So Musa, zingakhi incwadi, I'm sorry to interject, but zingakhi incwadi usuyibhalile because
I only have 5, man.
5.
I only have 5 books that I've written, but there are authors I know, abantu abanjengoSibungu Bani, who have produced more books than myself, Duma Change. And I'm talking about solid guys ngempela. uSibungu usebenza ko-Premier's office Peter respect bese kuthi uMduma Thenjwa wayesebenza as an engineer in this mine kwa-exploder i-acid washo umzimba wonke.
Ngiyambona uSibungu.
Exactly. Amazingly, this chap is not only just a writer, but he is also a publisher, assisting other writers under a Grishaw Publishers, what do you call it, tag. Many other writers have come through Umduma Thenjwa, and all of those things show, would say, as much as Westbourne and Nyama in particular, there is an interest of books from any other angle, either than which we found.
By the way, sivakashele umusa usho ukuthini Musa?
Energy asimane sibeke kanjalo mhlawumbe kodwa uma ngifuna ukukhohlisa ngimane ngithi mhlawumbe uElijah ngoba wayehamba ngenqola yomlilo kodwa nje lelo gama abantu lika angeke baze balithola.
Musa manje ne-wheelchair senama friends
awu kakhulu satholana nayo masishane futhi wheelchair. Ngikhumbula uKagiso Pitso engivakashele esibhedlela. uKagiso Pitso was a lady that I worked with at the University of Natal, a very good friend. And I ngaba nenhlanhla ukumbona lapha engakangiboni yena ngase ngithi uma ngimbona ngaba nje uKagiso is really destroyed by what has happened to me. Yabona. And I knew ukuthi uma ngizomnikeza any other side of pain kuzoba buhlungu kakhulu kuyena. Yabona. Fortunately for me ngalelo langa futhi ngangikade ngibekwa ku-wheelchair okokuqala. Phela uma usanda kulemala njengami awuthi nje bakusasekuseni ubufaka ku-wheelchair. They still have to monitor you, ufaka kwi-tilt table or kwesinye isikhathi igazi lithi uma lehla ngendlela osuhlezi ngayo collapse. So you have to be taken through certain steps with physiotherapy before you are just set in the wheelchair. So ngihlezi la wheelchair for the first time on my own independently. Nangu Kagiso Pitso ngena laphana. And I knew that I was not going to be showing her a sad face. But she was seeing me for the first time saying I'm on a wheelchair. Watch my son delituzane kwami ngasengithi mina ngizokuyaxolisa. Mina ofleseza senza sangacula ngendlela esasicula ngayo sisebancane, but this is exactly what I said. Yathi mina manje uyahleka sezungazi ukuthi ngingakwazi ukuthi ngenze lento ngendlela ezoba natural ngathi I've won some and I've lost some, but as dreamers don't complain. I'll keep reaching out for passion no matter what the pain. Wangibuka kanje uGathizobhizi wafa insini. Wathi zolo lokhu wena kade uzenza uMichael Jackson usuyibona ukuthi uTeddy Pendergrass. And I guess from that day I just fell in love with the wheelchair, which it can literally just transform you into another legendary figure. Ngendlela okade ungayazi. I guess I was always a Teddy Pendergrass fan too. And honestly, to find ukuthi uyakubona lokho ukuthi I'm now drifting towards this legacy ehamba ngamasondo. Kwangichaza kancane and I started establishing a relationship in a wheelchair. Today we're man machine. Outside the wheelchair I'm nobody. Outside me, this wheelchair has no language.
Asdlule Musa uyayibeka ya-understandeka futhi nami ngiyayizwa. I think nababukeli emakhaya bayayizwa. By the way, asasho ukuthi ababukeli emakhaya ngoba abanye khona uyihlalele rank nje wayibhekela ifoni yakho oyibukayo lento khona uyihlalele somewhere else, understand it. So Musa ushadele?
Yes, mfowethu.
Yazi ngikhumbula ngiyemshadweni kaBusa akusoze ngasikhohlwa ispeech sikaDibedi.
Yes.
Do you think uthi what deliver call kaDibedi?
I believe I did. Washo wathi ukhuluma ngeyasho. Ngikibelile yashi kunabantu abathathu njengamanje. It was amazing. You know mfowethu, ezinye izinto esezike zenzeka ngempela, they constitute a history of our times. How many times is this guy in a wheelchair getting married to this beautiful woman from Swaziland? Kunabantu baseSwazini ngala. Kunabantu baKwaZulu-Natal ngala ngama the United Nations of a type of a wedding. The groom is in a wheelchair. Best man is in a wheelchair. There are friends in wheelchairs now. Friends about blind, abanye with albinism. How many times do you ever get given an opportunity to do things like that? And all of it is so beautiful and even made more beautiful by these disability elements that are part of us, but we can't even feel what's back on. Not because asibanakile, because they are just like us. That's one thing in short. Do you remember what in Tennywe? Guy, the groom is in a wheelchair and the bride is an amazingly natural beauty.
Yes, ben kumbula kahle. Ifro wahlangana naye bakusuthu. Wahlangana ngomfro. Etropeni. Oh yona yayifunde bakusuthu.
Mfowethu, ila ngihlale ngisho khona abantu ngithi kubantu uyabona uma uke wangasihlonipha isikhathi wa lose second empilweni. Sebonakele. Ngisebhenki la ngizokesha i-check ethize. Abesethu ntombazana ebhenki. Mrs. Zulu, could you please wait for us right over there because we are still verifying your signature with head office. I mean, I'm very impatient. Let's do this. I'm not going to wait for 15 minutes. Here is my number, please phone me. No, but Mr. Zulu can give you a cup of coffee. No. I will turn it. 14 hours confined. So I'd rather I went and waited in the car. Getting that in Puma, a banking anje. I'm gonna come. Oh my God! I was the one I started banking for a cup of coffee. I would have lost a second that has changed me to be the man that I am today. Not to parts in gangs and but they said the probability of having children, especially natural, was almost nil. But Uchabu has naturally given me 3 beautiful daughters. The stereotype says umuntu okhubazekile umuntu wesifazane umbuka nje abona ukuthi mhlawumbe singazama laphana kwangathwani mhlawumbe singazani wawuthandwa nje as naturally as love can come to be allowed as a man to explore the best of yourself. Mhlawumbe futhi that's the nature of a person that I always was. Even in confines, I just wanted to break through and to find a person in Impela that allows you as a man with a disability to still just want to break through.
Because ikhona le myth uthi bohamba ngewheelchair
abantwana ungeke uzube nabo kufana inomiloko mhlambe umuntu wesifazane uqala bona ukuthi ngathi we-burden angifuni futhi ukuthi we-burden uyi-responsibility yakhe no umuntu wesilisa okhubazekile nomuntu wesifazane okhubazekile it sometimes can enter into a relationship with you and never lose an element of being themselves with their independence of both mind and even physical being. Uthole ngempela ukuthi lo muntu ngumthetho bengithi ngizomnakekela lo muntu wena onakekele mina noma sinakekele nekanje abantwana bese beyazalwa lapho to this wheelchair ngamanye amazwi abantwana have never known anything different.
Ikhona semdala hey.
21.
21.
Driving. Ufunda la eDivos manje doing ilentwana marketing. Lo kunye uzihanda ukwa matric. And this one have never known any other father but this one. And fortunately for me, a father that is also respected by other people because of a disability futhi more than any other thing. Abantu mina bangithanda because of a disability more than just writing books and the way I talk or the things that I do.
Usalele ushaya njalo eSwazini yo. Usalele udrive njalo ubheke eSwazini.
Kuzomina namhlanje ngoba kufanele. That place changed me.
Yeah.
And the whole encounter with Uchabu took me to new directions. Where you start taking yourself seriously.
So usalithanda noluhlobo lwemoto.
Angeke futhi sishintshe thina. We were born kings thina and we're meant to be riding on chariots of fire. Ngeke sisho ngegama ngoba bazothi mhlawumbe
siyadayisa yabona siyadayisa kodwa
yeah.
If you know you know.
If you know you know. Nazo kuthenga into thina singakazi. We've never been people of pretenses. What we are you will know. We're one.
Yeah. I know. I think isitori sami sesimnandi kakhulu. Busikhonto ngifuna ukuyichecka kancane before mhlambe ungishaya ngama passing shots.
Yes.
Labantu laba or isimo leso sithandayo kunesinye yabona.
Yeah.
Are you a morning person? Or
a morning person?
A morning person or umuntu
who
prefer
okay. I'm a preacher of the night. Evening is ezeke ebusuku mina.
Oh, evening is ezeke ebusuku. Mhlambe khona i-art ekuthiwa uvusi Thembe kwayo.
Yes.
Kube sekuba Miles Monroe.
Yeah.
Phela you choose.
Who would I choose between the two?
Yeah, between the two. That is why I got a morning person.
I think I would lean more on Tenje. Why? Because he's local and he's really trying. He's doing good. Yeah.
Uvus.
Uvus is a powerful guy. You can dissect any element of a man's life as long as man's success shines through. Then man stands. That's Vusi Lentwana for you.
Mhlambe kulento ye hard copy or soft copy.
Hard copy will always do for me. I'm a hardened criminal when it comes to exploring the best of opportunities. Even in what is I tell you, Lentwana, a publisher, if you are going to work with me, make it a point that you can't fold my book. It has to come in hardcover.
So Mandela or Obama?
Certainly.
I think Baba story simnandi lo first black president.
Certainly Obama. Certainly Obama. Mandela lived in a time that I don't think I would have understood or even survived. Obama lived in a time that I could survive.
Gospel, maskandi, jazz, R&B.
R&B.
It's independent class.
It should be. It can't be any other person.
It can't be Luther Vandross.
It can't be any other person. Abantu abanjengoTeddy Pendergrass are not only music to us, but symbols. Awusawulaleli umculo mina ngulalela umculo kaTeddy Pendergrass. I experience it. Ngiyamlalela uLuther Vandross zonke insuku, but not necessarily experiencing.
Chiefs or Pirates?
Pirates.
What's a pirate always?
I'm a Viking vote. I'm always out to loot. So pirates are my brothers.
Musa ongishanga ama-passing shots yazi into engifuna engathi asixilanga kuyona eyenziwa uMusa ile motivation as well ukuthi uyabhukhwa and all stuff.
The whole thing has been but the whole thing has been a motivational session. Yeah, people book me and it's beautiful to be booked. Just the other day I had the Department of University of Zululand saying we would like you to come and talk to students age, not only students with disabilities. And then I said, and where is it going to be happening? But a Bheki Zulu Hall. Let me tell you something with this. And what is this obsession? Ikakhulukazi kuma high class acts, celebrity acts of America, the Apollo, Madison Square Gardens. I have a concert. You want to say where it's going to be. Honestly, Ngempela, we grew up in Bheki Zulu Hall. Where a person that was standing to talk to people was either a vice chancellor of the university or ulentwana or chancellor or principal or chancellor or mhlawumbe a big politician like ulentwana the late Dr. Mangosuthu Buthelezi to be told that you are going to be addressing abantwana basongoye, an iconic institution on its own, but that is going to be happening at Bhekuzulu Hall.
I'll
be honest with you. Say to me, if Bhekuzulu Hall is going to be full and the ICC is going to be full, where do you want to go? I go to Bhekuzulu Hall because that's where history is more than modernity. But of course, I respect the ICC.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to say to you is, it is no longer to us now a matter of being booked. We still love it. That's how we live. But it's also where I'm going to be delivering my talk.
And futhi bozothola umusa ke umthole sefomini ugijima nawe. Baphoba. Ubani ubaba lo bathi.
Yeah, usuke sekugangwa ngabantu. Yeah.
Musa elithini lekugcina.
No,
just your concluding remarks.
Listen, Nyampelo, thank you very much. I've been honest, Nyampelo. 29 years in a wheelchair and being affirmed by young men that I saw and affirmed a long time ago. Means Nyampelo, a cyclist as Hambegiyona mina nawe on a personal level is beautiful. And then on a social level, I just want to say honestly to people of South Africa and everybody that has known me at close quarters and from afar, thank you for allowing me opportunity to live again. People could have easily said, hey, Mos, but you stayed with me. You are still with me when 22 years later.
Hey.
I entered your offices today to young people, some of them that I do not even know, excited to see me. And angaze ngikhohle ukuthi ngihamba nge-wheelchair. Mhlawumbe ngoba ngikhumbula ngalezi ayikhathi kudala la kwakungisabisa khona ukuthi ngihamba nge-wheelchair ngoba akekho umuntu wayengazi noma umuntu wayazi abantu abakhubazekile ngendlela that you could see them welcoming them the way sesiwelcome now in South Africa. So
ngicela ubuze just umbuzo before siva, why abantu besifazane babathande kanje abantu abahamba ngama-wheelchair? Just checking, yes.
Iqiniso mfowethu ukuthi
no lokho ngathi I think ngabona ngondimini, I must be honest.
No, I mean ngizokuphendula futhi ngendlela uyona ikakhulukazi ngoba I believe ukuthi abantu need to know this truth and the magic behind our victories. Iqiniso mfowethu ukuthi uma usahamba ngeenyawo you can't be as fast as into ehamba ngamasondo. Abantu besifazane abanaso isikhathi sokuloku behudula ithende, so they will want to take something on wheels ngoba izobathatha ibabeke ku-destination yabo ngendlela okuyona. And the fact is no driver wayo leyo nto futhi uthi uma ubona ukuthi yabonakala uzobe ngidriver ushofa. I believe I've answered you.
No, ngiyakuzwa. Angithi almost abaclose nendaba yepoetry futhi understand
ngiyakhumbula insizwa ehamba ngeenyawo ukuthi khohlwa nje ithini. Kakhulukazi ngoba faster than you are. And maybe they also just need to be taken fast to that point of climax. And the climax could be any destination. Siyabonga.
Ukakhohlwa-ke aba-social zethu njengoba ngiya-overemphasize kubalulekile ukuthi usilandele bapage lethu Facebook usilandele TikTok we are on vele sikhona manje ku-TikTok vele si-live but usilandele futhi nalaphana kwi-YouTube. Hey Musa, yabona thina sisama-front man lezi zinto manje ziyasingena ziyasigijima and bayasikhipha up in the speed, yabona lezi zinto
you know what kukhona into isho before siqala ukuthi you have 2.7 million.
Yeah, but check about the page in the Facebook. Numbers don't lie, Mos.
No, but I'm not even questioning that. I'm looking at the opportunity. I told you, with young kid opportunity. I've always wanted to enter world records. And I believe when you can assist me with doing just that. That's so kanjani. Wonke umuntu kulo 2.7 million we-population okhuluma ngawo ngizomupha incwadi. Yes, I mean it. Bhalelani ublose uzonitshela ukuthi uzokwenzeka kanjani. But anybody that writes to say I want that book is going to get an e-book copy of the wheels on the sole of my shoes in Madiami Esbili.
Yes, yes.
Every one of them. Ngaleyo ndlela ngithi, thank you very much to all of you for everything that you have done for me. But ngaleyo ndlela futhi, I'm also positioning myself to say, in one day, I managed to give 2.7 million people a copy of my book. Let's do it. It's possible. 30 years after democracy, we can do anything.
Yeah.
And as people with disabilities, Ababen to be allowed a space to also even pass our message. Sometimes we also just need to make a statement. This is exactly who we are. And we take pride in ourselves to a point where we can be Father Christmas right here in July.
When you see single Gundimane, don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you do it, please take pictures. See you in 7.